friends, today we are going to prepare a simple dish for which there are varieties of ways of preparation, that is tomato saar. In today's video, we are going to prepare the Thoor Dal added tomato saar using green chilies. If you are new to the channel, do click on the subscribe button below and subscribe to Dhanvi Home Kitchen. Now let's check the recipe for the Thoor Dal added tomato saar. Here I am taking about a half cup of Thoor Dal. Let's wash the Thoor Dal in water for about 2-3 times. Let's transfer the washed Thoor Dal to the cooker and add about 2 glasses of water. Cook this for about 3 whistles. I am using about 7 medium-sized tomatoes here. Let's clean it in water and cut it into small pieces. We also need about 2 medium-sized onions thinly sliced for frying. Along with this, let's take about 8 pieces of garlic, 1 inch of ginger and 6 to 7 green chilies and cut them into small pieces. The Thoor Dal has nicely cooked. Let's prepare for the tadka now. In a heated pan, add about 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, to which add about 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once the mustard seed starts splattering, add the ginger and garlic and cook it for about 10 seconds. The smell of the garlic is gone. Now add the green chilies to this. After about 10 seconds, add the cut onions to this. Keep stirring occasionally until the onions are cooked. Let's add about 9 to 10 curry leaves to this. Once the onion is about 3/4 cooked and starts becoming transparent, let's add the tomatoes to this. Let's add about 2 teaspoons of salt to this. Let's cover this up with the lid and let the tomatoes cook. Keep stirring this occasionally. Let's add about 1 teaspoon of turmeric to this. And also a half teaspoon of hing. Tomato is nicely done now and has become soft. For this, let's add the cooked dal. To this, I am adding about 1 glass of water. You can adjust the consistency accordingly. Also, check for the salt and add more if needed. Let this boil now. The saar has nicely boiled now. Our Thoor Dal added tomato saar is ready. If you like the video, do click on the like button, share the video and subscribe to the Dhanvi Home Kitchen channel. See you next time. Bye.